Here in Michigan, we got some pretty odd weather, and this last spring, we had one day, and I honestly don't remember any day like it in my entire life, and I have seen some very interesting things happen here in Michigan. But on this in particular day, it started raining, and I thought, oh, I'll write a song about the rain. So I was sitting there and I was inspired by the rain, but then all of a sudden, it started snowing, and I mean huge snowflakes just falling from the sky. I'm thinking, what on earth? So I'm thinking, okay, I'll add the snow in. Well, then all of a sudden the day cleared and it was sunny and bright. And I thought, well, okay, the sun came out. And then it cycled through these three things. I don't even remember how many times, but it was the most bizarre weather occurrence that I had remembered seeing. And then, just when you thought it was over, it started sleeting out of nowhere. Crazy, crazy weather day. And I was sitting in my room doing homework. Well, I was writing a song, but I should have been doing homework. But anyway, I was thinking about my best friend, and I thought to myself, you know, it doesn't really matter what it's doing outside. It doesn't really matter what we're doing inside. We're happy when we're together. And I think you might have someone that you feel that way about too. So this song is called Sun, Snow, or Rain. It's raining, and I'm stuck inside my house on a Thursday afternoon doing school. But in my mind I'm outside walking in the rain. No umbrella, I'm just dancing like a fool. It's a perfect day to spend time with you. Sun, snow, or rain, and it don't matter what we do. I always wear a smile when we're together. Oh, when I'm thinking thoughts of you. It stopped raining, and the sun broke through the clouds, and there's a yellow bird just sitting in a tree, and the grass is such a pretty shade of green. Oh, how I wish that you could be right here with me. It's a perfect day to spend time with you. Sun, snow, or rain, and it don't matter what we do. I always wear a smile when we're together. Oh, when I'm thinking thoughts of you. It started snowing, and there's giant snowflakes falling from the sky. This is April, and it's Michigan, and I shouldn't be surprised. The weather changes within minutes, all day long, by and by. But it's a perfect day to spend time with you. Sun, snow, or rain, and it don't matter what we do. I always wear a smile when we're together. When I'm thinking thoughts of you. Sun, snow, or rain, it started sleeting.